The unboxing experience reflects PITAKA's design philosophy immediately. The packaging is clean and minimal, presenting the Air case as a precision-crafted accessory rather than a generic protective shell. Inside, the case is the clear centerpiece, and the first impression is striking. It feels impossibly thin. There is no unnecessary foam, clutter, or over-marketing. Everything about the presentation reinforces that this product is meant to disappear into daily life, not compete for attention. From the moment you lift it out, the aramid weave and matte finish communicate that this is a premium material choice, not plastic gimmick. The PITAKA Air case for iPad Pro 13-inch is one of the most refined, minimalist cases available today. It delivers exactly what high-end iPad users want: ultralight protection, full Magic Keyboard compatibility, premium aramid fiber durability, and a design so slim you genuinely forget it is installed. It is not built for extreme drops, but for modern daily life, it is one of the cleanest, smartest upgrades you can make to the iPad Pro experience. If your goal is to keep your iPad protected while preserving its thinness, elegance, and keyboard workflow, PITAKA has essentially perfected the category. The construction is where PITAKA justifies its reputation. The full aramid fiber body feels rigid, refined, and extremely well finished. Aramid is the same class of material used in aerospace and high-performance gear, offering excellent resistance to wear, discoloration, and long-term texture degradation. The surface coating adds a skin-friendly grip that feels warm and premium in the hand, while the edges are finely polished to ensure the case never feels sharp or abrasive. PITAKA also integrates a raised, volcano-style camera ring, giving the lenses real scratch protection without bulky add-ons. This is thoughtful engineering designed for daily desk placement and travel use.